Hello participants and welcome to this e-learning course on chromatography. This is phase 2 and you are welcome on this joint venture by Shetham and Science College Patan, Gujarat and Deepam Foundation. Friends, this is a knowledge enhancement program that is jointly developed by these two organizations. This is phase 2 especially repeated and designed for those who have missed phase 1 as this will be a total repetition of phase 1. This video, which is going to be populated between you, is to make you aware of the system that you have to follow daily. So first of all, friends, let me introduce you to our program. You will be joining us as a part of an e-learning course in chromatography. Over here, this course, for this course, Shetham Science College Patan is nominated as a nodal center for conducting such online courses as a part of a campaign initiated by Deepam Foundation, that is Padhega India, Badhega India. An online course on chromatography will be conducted by Shetham Science College Patan for 10 days, and on the successful completion of course, certificates will be provided. There are no fees. And if you have any queries related to it, please you can call me, only a call, between 12:45 in the afternoon to 3:45 in the afternoon. Friends, we are powered by Deepam Foundation in all aspects for conducting this course. Our daily schedule, which is very important, listen it carefully, is something like this. You have full freedom of timing to learn this course with a restriction to complete daily tasks within the designated day. Anytime between 3 p.m. of the initial day to the 2 p.m. of the next day, a total of 23 hours. Friends, for example, if the course is starting today and it will start at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, at 3 o'clock when the course starts, and on the next day at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you have to complete the day 1. You have 23 hours to complete just a task of 1.5 hours. Daily, you will be having a video lecture of nearly 1 hour, 1 hour 10 minutes maximum. You will also get an e-learning material in the form of a PDF of that presentation so that you can use it for your reference. You have to daily go for a MCQ based test and a feedback form. These all set of things are to be completed in 23 hours, starting from 3 p.m. afternoon on the day of initiation to 2 p.m. of the afternoon on the very next day. On the next day, 2 p.m., the day 1 will go down and the new data of day 3 will be generated again at 3 p.m. For that 1 hour, for us, it will be a 0 hour where we will be managing all the technical activities. And for all this technical support, we have association of chemists and biologists with us. Hope you are getting what I am saying. These topics will be covered from day 1 to day 9. You have different topics, and on day 10 you will have an online MCQ based test. There you won't have any choice of 23 hours. There will be a fixed timing with no choice for that. We will very soon let you know that fixed time. I am the course coordinator, Dr. Deep Kumar Joshi, working as assistant professor in the chemistry department of the Shetham Science College, Patan. You can even call me between 12:45 to 3:45 in the afternoon for any queries related to the previous day or the upcoming days. So friends, thank you. Now, we are not completing as of now this video. You have to still be online. We are going to show you many things. Friends, this particular thing is our Telegram application, where you can see it is phase 2 online chromatography course. If you want to participate, you should be over here. And as of now, there are 1274 subscribers. All the messages will be coming over here and you have to act accordingly. Today, a message will come over here and a link will be given of a website that you are supposed to go on that website, and going on that website will take you to our course. When you will click that link, you will be taken to this particular web page. In this particular web page, if you look to it very carefully, you can see over here phase 2 written. There is a notice board for the participants. Click the link below as per the schedule to complete the course. It is compulsory to watch the complete video and then appear for the test. Dear participants, Welcome to this online course. The below table indicates your daily schedule. The link to the corresponding dates will get active and you need to complete the task accordingly. Very, very important. The email ID you use during day 1 test should be same for the entire 10 days for any task you do. You will require to add once your email ID in our daily test. And if I am a student and on the very first day while filling up the test after the complete video watching, I will write dweepjoshi@gmail.com. Then daily I have to use the same email ID. Changing the email address will eliminate me from this course and no one will take any responsibility for that because your track record of 9 tests, the time of your video watching, all is being tracked by us through this email ID. New link of daily task will be activated daily at 3 p.m. and will deactivate on the next day at 2 p.m. For example, today on the initial day when we'll be starting this course, over here it is 7 May 20. That is today, day 1. Day 1, day 1 and day 1. It is video day 1, e-notes day 1, MCQ test day 1 and feedback day 1. All these links will get activated at 3 o'clock. You can click on that, you will be redirected to a page. For example, if I'll click here, I will go to video 1. I have to completely go through the video. And once I complete the video, I have to come back to this website. I have to click on e-notes if at all required. If you can even download the e-notes earlier. Then you have to go for MCQ test. By clicking over here, you will be redirected to page. I am going to show you that redirected page. And then you have to click again for a feedback. So you can even bookmark this page by pressing Ctrl D on your keyboard. It will get bookmarked. So this is the strategy you have to follow for the next 9 days. And on the 10th day, you have no videos, no e-notes, no feedback, only a MCQ test. And the time for that MCQ test will be made to you very clear in advance. There are few general regulations, especially for you. The topic uploaded must be completed in 23 hours. 3 p.m. on the day of uploading to 2 p.m. on the next day. It includes video lecture, e-note, MCQ test and feedback. And I have analyzed during the phase 1, it does not take more than 2 hours of your daily. Daily new topic will be uploaded according to the schedule. Appearing for all the MCQ test and final test is mandatory for the process of certification. Feedback form filling on daily basis is also compulsory. Friends, the minimum passing criteria for the final test is 40%. For daily test, there are no passing criteria because it is just for practice. But in circumstances, if required, we could add that scores in the final test. But in final test, it is mandatory to get 40% for certification. Otherwise, certificate will not be provided and you have to wait for the retest. So hope you have got the idea about the web page. Once in the web page you go for the MCQ test, how will it look? I am going to that part. So keep an eye very well over here. See, this is the page for the MCQ test. Test day 1. Here you have to mention your email address, what I was telling. Mark my words. Email address mentioned on the test 1 day 1 should not be changed anywhere between the 10 days. If you change that, no one from the nodal center, course coordinator, nodal coordinator, speaker or the back office will be responsible for any help. Entering a wrong email address or a different email address with wrong intentions, I will justify this word wrong intentions, will eliminate you. I have seen students in phase 1, even faculties, even elders, using two email address just to get the right answers of the test and then reapply for the test. This is not for any marks. It is for knowledge enhancement. It's a knowledge enhancement program. Name of the participant. From the very first day, try to write the complete name and mention it that clearly which can directly be applied on your certificate. So if any mistake, you know, we are not be able to help you in future. So be very clear while mentioning your email address and the name. Mobile, Telegram app enabled only. We only need such mobile numbers which have Telegram application installed, and you should be in the page or the channel, or you must have subscribed the chromatography phase 2 channel on Telegram, so that each and every message reach over there. As of now, when I'm recording this video, I have 1274 subscribers, means 1274 participants on that particular channel as of now. So these three things are very important. Email address, not to be changed, name of the participant, a fixed name that will go in the certificate, and a mobile number for daily communication. I won't be replying any queries on WhatsApp or even on Telegram. If you have any query, I am open on a call, a normal call, because sometimes you are 1274. If I get 200 queries, some query will scroll down at the bottom of the application, and if I do not see, it will be an injustice. So please give a call. Time you watched the lecture on the YouTube, start time and end time. This is very much important, because our system, the automated system from the back office, has eliminated 138 candidates from the phase 1 who used to skip the videos, who did not go through the proper channel and directly went for the exams. Although we are running the course fee, the foundation, the NGO, Deepam Foundation, is very well maintained by the organizers, and they have a very good system where we can crack things up to a level. And friends, as a part of a knowledge enhancement program, no malpractices are allowed from my side or your side. So be very clear that you watch the full video on the YouTube. And because I am telling it, because if for example I have watched from 8 to 9 in the evening, I will mention it over here in the answer, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So this is the format of mentioning. I mentioned over here. You can just go through this format. This is the way, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is how you have to mention daily the time you have watched the video. Then you have 10 questions, and going through these questions will let you know that what marks you will gain. So this was an example from our side. Friends, I hope slowly, gradually you are getting idea what I am speaking. Still, if you have any kind of query, you are feel free to contact me for any solutions. I hope you have understood every small thing in this video. The only communication between you and me will be the WhatsApp channel, the Telegram channel, chromatography course phase 2, where a simple message will be released. And then afterwards, if you have any query, you can get back to me on a simple call between 12:45 to 3:45 in the afternoon side. Friends, enjoy the course. Your feedbacks are very important to us. One more important thing, that the videos which you will be seeing over here will be pre-recorded. The reason behind recording them early is you are 1274 as of now, and we are assuming to reach 1500 before 3 o'clock in the afternoon today. So we as of now will not be able to maintain 1500 participants live due to some restrictions from our side. And also to bring 1500 participants on a platform live who are already engaged in different responsibilities during this COVID-19 is difficult. So we have planned to keep it pre-recorded. So you can use the video within any 23 hours of your interest, your feasibility, your convenience. Mind well, listening to the complete video, going through or watching the complete video on YouTube is mandatory. And don't think that we are keeping it mandatory to increase our credits. We have no interest in those credits, because we have already received all the fundamental credits from those YouTube channels which we were supposed to get much early. So it is not for that sake. Don't take us in a wrong way. We are keeping it to enhance the knowledge of the participants who are in. All kinds of feedback, suggestions are most welcome. Daily basis, I will be replying you with another recorded video for or in accordance to your suggestions also if needed. Otherwise, you can contact me in any aspect, but mind well, watching the video completely. For your interest, you can download the PDF provided. Appearing for the test with a particular Gmail ID for all 10 days is mandatory, and filling up the feedback form is also mandatory. Don't forget to do any of these four things because it will fetch you in trouble for the certification. And in the feedback form, we do not require your name, so do not worry. But it does not mean you will not fill the form because our system can try to catch hold of those culprits. And we are not meant for those things, we are meant for sharing knowledge, enhancing the knowledge of participants as well as us. So, I welcome you all on the behalf of Shatem and Science College Patan, DIPAM Foundation, this e-learning chromatography course phase 2, back office team, course coordinator and nodal coordinator. Hope you will enjoy all 10 days. You will learn and you will also help us to upgrade with your feedbacks and suggestions. Last, as it is your first day and our timings are from 3 p.m. to 2 p.m. on the next day for a particular day task, but as it is your first day and you might be new to our platform, so for the particular first day, I am giving you 5 hours of bonus. Very soon after this video, the course will be launched on the website and all instructions will come in that particular Telegram group. So enjoy the course, be healthy, stay safe in this pandemic COVID-19. Thank you and welcome once again to the chromatography phase 2 family. Thank you.